Kids Storybooks. Subscribe.
The Little Pappy's Wish. Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, there lived a little pappy named Pip. Pip was the smallest and cutest pappy you could ever imagine, with fluffy white fur and big, round eyes that sparkled like stars. Despite his tiny size, Pip had the biggest heart and a spirit full of curiosity. One sunny morning, Pip woke up with a twinkle in his eye. He had heard about a magical rainbow berry that grew deep within the forest, and he was determined to find it. With his small paws and a backpack made from leaves, Pip set off on his grand adventure. As Pip hopped along the forest path, he encountered friendly butterflies and chatty birds. The wise old owl, Oliver, perched on a branch and shared stories of the mystical rainbow berry's incredible powers. It was said that whoever found the berry would be granted a wish. Excitement bubbled inside Pip as he ventured further, leaping over mossy rocks and skipping over babbling brooks. Suddenly, a mischievous bunny named Benny appeared, offering to join Pip on his quest. Together, they giggled and played, making their journey even more delightful. As they delved deeper into the forest, the trees seemed to whisper tales of magical creatures and hidden wonders. Pip's heart danced with joy, and he couldn't wait to discover the rainbow berry's enchanting secret. Finally, after much exploration, Pip and Benny stumbled upon a clearing bathed in golden sunlight. There, beneath a sparkling waterfall, the mythical rainbow berry glistened. Pip's eyes widened, and Benny gasped in awe. With a grateful heart, Pip plucked the rainbow berry and made his wish. In an instant, the forest echoed with laughter, and colorful confetti rained down. Pip's wish had come true. The enchanted forest was now filled with everlasting joy and happiness. Pip and Benny celebrated their triumph with a joyful dance, their laughter echoing through the trees. The little pappy had not only found the magical rainbow berry but had also discovered that the greatest adventures are best shared with friends. And so, in the heart of the enchanted forest, Pip and Benny continued to explore, spreading happiness wherever they went.